Okay, so let's talk a little bit about BC20 from Fenix. It's a bike light, front light. It's a pretty decent priced package. It comes with what you can see on the table. It has a remote control. It has spare bumpers, which are thinner than the ones I have installed right now. The mounting bracket and the spare gasket. So inside we have 4 AA batteries. It's quite nice that these loop batteries are actually a little bit bigger than usual batteries, and I also have some stickers here, but even so I don't have any problems inserting and removing the batteries like I do on other lights. You can't mix up the polarity because you have it marked right inside. This is a plastic construction. You have here the rubber gasket that protects from water all around. This is aluminium, it's metal, nice finish to it. Golden plated contacts, looks pretty decent. You pop this in here and now it's ready to run. We can install the remote control here, which is also weather sealed. This is only useful for flashing on the highest output light. This button, which is the main button, it's illuminated. When you turn the unit on, it turns green, which means it has battery. If it's red, it means the batteries are depleted. You cycle by short pressing on the button. You have 3 output lights, one big flash and these small flashes, which they call daylights. I find them more like night lights because they're not very bright, and during the day sun you can't see them very well. I only can say they are safe to use inside the city for a gentle walk in the evening or maybe in the night, but for real traffic and speed I would just use the main flash, which is a lot more powerful. The delay between flashes is a little bit long for my taste, but I'll have to live with it. Another problem that I've noticed, the button has moments when it's not responding to the commands. So if I press long, it turns on. I press short, it must cycle, but sometimes it just doesn't cycle. It happens pretty often, and it's quite frustrating because I don't know why this happens, even though I press pretty hard, as hard as it should be. Other than that, the mounting system, it has a screw mechanism for locking and unlocking. It is okay, it does its job, but it's not the best I've seen, considering that the angles don't line up very well here. So when you squeeze in, this is not perpendicular on this side, so it generates some unwanted forces there. Other than that, the rail that the unit mounts on, it's plastic, and I wish it would have been a firmer grip. All the locking is done by this excess here, which is pretty shallow, so as time goes by this can wear out, and you won't have any other way to fix the light on the Sport. I thought about maybe rubber band here or something, but that would be difficult because of the shape of the unit. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. Unfortunately, on the first time I took this light out on the bike, I had an incident, and it actually fell from the bike, which was very unpleasant. But it held well, except a minor scuff here and here. I don't mind. So for unlocking, you press this, you push. The other bad thing is that because you mount it in the front, when it falls right in front of you, so that's not quite nice. It would have been a lot better if it would have slided the other way around, but it doesn't. You do have a feature that allows you to adjust the angle at which it illuminates. It is a nice feature because the handlebars are usually curved in all different shapes. And this is my little review about the unit.